Yes, hello friends. Let us start to know the methods of preparation of primary amine. Yes, there are four methods are used to prepare the primary amines. First one is Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. You take the first alphabet of this method, GPS, G for Gabriel, P for Thalamide, and S for synthesis. Second one is Hoffman reaction. Third one is ammonolysis. And fourth one is reduction. G for Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. H for Hoffman reaction. A for ammonolysis and R for reduction. यस एक सेंटेंस या वर्ड बन गया GHAR घर जो भी है. When you may be asked the question, write the methods of preparation of primary amines. Only you should have to remember GAR, G for Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis, Hoffman reaction, ammonolysis and reduction. In thalamide synthesis, this structure is thalamide. Here there is a carbon and H. This compound is known as a thalamide. On reaction with KOH, potassium hydroxide, in presence of alcohol, otherwise you can say alcoholic KOH. On heating thalamide with alcoholic KOH, it will give potassium thalamide. Now you see the technique, how this product, what is the mechanism of this reaction. इन दोनों के बीच रिएक्शन, दिस इज द कैटलिस्ट. KOH के साथ थैलेमाइड की रिएक्शन कैसे होती है और कैसे ये बनता है. दिस इज द थैलेमाइड. यस, N के साथ जो हाइड्रोजन है इट शुड बी इंडिकेटेड, थोड़ा दूर इंडिकेट करो. KOH, K single bond OH. Now you see H portion of thalamide and OH portion of KOH. Water molecule will eliminate as a byproduct and potassium will directly attach to the nitrogen atom. This is the product of thalamide. What is the difference between thalamide and this product? You see, hydrogen is replaced by potassium. That means this is the one type of thalamide in which hydrogen is replaced by potassium. That's why it is also known as a potassium thalamide. Now on reaction with alkyl halide, RX, halogen means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. You can take RNaCH3Cl, methyl chloride. Yes, CH3CH2Cl, ethyl chloride. You can take anyone. On reaction with RX, it will gives the product, the name of this product. This is also derivative of thalamide. What is the difference between thalamide and this product? Hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. That's why, yes, N-alkyl thalamide. यस, ये प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनती है जरा ये टेक्निक समझ ले. व्हाट विल बी द मैकेनिज्म. ये पोटेशियम थैलेमाइड ऑन रिएक्शन ऑफ RX अल्किल हैलाइड विथ पोटेशियम थैलेमाइड के साथ RX की रिएक्शन कैसे होगी. दिस इज द पोटेशियम थैलेमाइड. RX उसको ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लिखो. पोटेशियम थैलेमाइड and halogen of alkyl halide will react to each other and byproduct will remove as KX is to be removed as a byproduct. and finally our product will be N-alkyl phthalimide. Now this N-alkyl phthalimide on heating with 2 molecules of NaOH, it will give primary amine, and our byproduct will be, what is the, if 2 COOH groups are present on ortho position, this is phthalic acid. If 2 COOH groups are present on meta position, it is known as a isophthalic acid. If 2 COOH groups are present on para position, it is known as a terephthalic acid. This is a phthalic acid in which both hydrogen atoms are replaced by sodium. It is one type of ester of phthalic acid, sodium phthalate कहा जाता है उसको. Sodium phthalate will remove as a byproduct and finally primary amine will be our main product. अच्छा चलो, ये कैसे बनता है? That point is very important point. This is the alkyl phthalimide NaOH. Second molecule NaOH. Yes, ये RNH2 will remove. During the reaction bond will break. ये सब bond break हो जाएंगे. नाइट्रोजन के 2 बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो गए, 2 नाइट्रोजन के साथ जुड़ जाएंगे. RNH2 will be our main product and O will directly add to the carbon atom COONA. This is COONA. This is the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Second one, Hofmann reaction. This reaction is a very, very important reaction. You may be asked the question in annual examination also. Write a short note on Hofmann reaction. Otherwise, during the conversion, you should have to convert amide compound to amine compound. Hofmann reaction. Only one reaction is there, which convert amide compound to amine compound. Yes, amide group means CONH2. RCONH2, these compounds are known as amide compound. This is amine group, and this group CONH2 is amide group. There is a quite difference between amine and amide. Only NH2 group indicates the presence of amine group, and इनके आगे यदि CO लगा दो तो CONH2, this is amide. RCONH2 plus Br2 plus on Na 4 NaOH. This is the Hofmann reagent कहा जाता है. On heating amide compound with Hofmann reagent means Br2 plus NaOH. तो primary amine मिलते हैं. What is the mechanism of this reaction? First of all, you see, this is very, very important portion. This is the technique. COO or NH2. This is the amide compound. 4 NaOH. Yes, NaO or H. First molecules Na single bond, O single bond H. This is second molecule. Third molecule नीचे से लिखो opposite direction में NaOH. Fourth one उनके सामने लिखो NaOH. Then Br2 means Br single bond Br. During the reaction, ये bond break हो जाएगा. NaBr will remove as a byproduct. Second molecule of NaBr. This water molecule, this is also second water molecule. यानी बीच में से ये portion निकल जाएगा. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. 2 water molecule and twice NaBr. and this R will directly attach to the NH2. That means our final product will be primary amine. Now you see some illustrations. HCONH2, that is the formamide. CH3CONH2, it is known as acetamide. And phenyl having CONH2, it is known as benzamide. Now you compare, this is the general reaction, this is our general reaction, all the reactions will follow this general reaction. इसको प्रिपेयर करो, बाकी सब अपने आप सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा. ये एमाइड कंपाउंड को ये सभी इलस्ट्रेशन के साथ कंपेयर करो. व्हाट इज आर इन दिस केस? हाइड्रोजन. इन केस ऑफ एसिटामाइड, आर इज CH3 मिथाइल ग्रुप. इन केस ऑफ बेंजामाइड, आर इज फिनाइल. कंपैरिजन करोगे, आर की जगह आर इज रिप्लेस बाय हाइड्रोजन तो फॉर्मामाइड मिलेगा, आर इज रिप्लेस बाय मिथाइल तो एसिटामाइड मिलेगा. इफ आर रिप्लेस बाय phenyl, so you will get benzamide. Now you observe the general reaction. RCONH2. This is our main product. This is the byproducts. RNH2. देखो इसमें से CO disappear हो जाता है. R will directly attach to the NH2. तो यहाँ क्या होगा? R means H. R will remain as it is. No change will occur in R. Only change, you can observe the change in CONH2. CONH2 का conversion NH2 में होता है. तो H और NH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड NH2, इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं NH3 plus Na2CO3 plus twice NaBr plus twice H2O. In case of acetamide, R is CH3. CH3 CO disappear कर दो तो डायरेक्टली Na2 जोड़ दो. CH3Na2 मिथाइल एमाइन, you can say aminomethane या methane amine. Byproduct will be Na2CO3 twice NaBr twice H2O. In case of benzamide, CO निकल जाएगा, Na2 will directly add to the benzene ring. Then Na2CO3 twice NaBr. ये moles, ये इक्वेशन बैलेंस होना जरूरी है. Without balance of equation, that is equation will be meaningless. तो बाई प्रोडक्ट के कितने मॉल बनते हैं वही प्रिपेयर्ड इंडिकेट करना जरूरी है. चलो, thanks a lot. We'll see you in next lecture. During the next lecture, remaining two methods we will complete. Okay. Ciao.